My question is, Hazrat Musleh anhu saw a dream regarding the propagation of Ahmadiyyat in Scotland. Alhamdulillah, the Jama'ah is growing, and now the mosque we have in Glasgow is not sufficient to cater for our different programs and tabligh activities. Does this dream of Hazrat Musleh anhu have any other meanings?
You expand your tabligh activities more than before, more than what you are doing. So it only means that try to spread the message of Islam Ahmadiyyat in Scotland. And if you do it sincerely and with prayers, Allah Ta'ala will also help you, and you will see the spread of the message of Islam in Scotland very rapidly, right? But it all depends on your own effort, right? So if you want to make this dream true, you will have to work hard for that. That also means that all the Ahmadis living there in Scotland should work hard to spread the message of Islam.